Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Teacher Sidika Rosli's Cartesian Classroom. Today, we're going to learn about number sequence. So let's start. Our learning objective for today is we are going to complete the given number sequence. Our step to success for today are the first one is we are going to subtract neighboring numbers. So what does the word neighboring here means? The word neighboring here simply means berjiran. Like for example, your jiran, it comes from the word neighbor. So the numbers are next to each other. Step 2 is we're going to find the pattern, and our last step for today is we are going to complete the number sequence. Example 1, we have 20,325 as the first number. The second number is 30,325. Then we have a blank where we need to fill in. The fourth number is 50,325 and the last number is 60,325. For some of you, it is pretty much obvious. You can see it right away and you can just put in the number in the blanks. But it is safer if we can do this, if we can find the answer through working, step-by-step working. So let's just pop up our S to S for today up here. So first is we are going to subtract the neighboring numbers. So what does it mean by neighboring numbers? It means these two numbers right here. Neighboring numbers are when the numbers are next to each other. So we have 20,325 and we have 30,325 right here. So step 1 is we're going to subtract the neighboring numbers. Obviously, bigger number minus smaller number. So let's just subtract them one by one. 5 minus 5 gives us 0. 2 minus 2 gives us 0. 3 minus 3 gives us 0. 0 minus 0 gives us 0. And 3 minus 2 gives us 1. So that is step 1. Now, step 2 is it says find the pattern. So this means that in order for you to go from 20,000 to 30,000, you are going to add 10,000. So that is the pattern. So we might just add another 10,000 here to get the answer. But say if we add another 10,000, so that's going to be 30,325 plus 10,000. So we have 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 0 is 3, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have 40,325. So let's see if the pattern is consistent. What it means by consistent is if you add another 10,000 here, would it give you 50,000? Let's try. So we have 40,325 plus another 10,000. So we have 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 0 is 3, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 1 is 5. Is this the same? Yes, it's the same. So meaning to say that the patterns are consistent. So our answer is 40,325. And the number sequence is complete. Example 2, we have blank and a blank for the first two numbers. And then for the third number, we have 76,429. The fourth number is 76,529, and the last number we have 76,000. 2629. So let's just pop up our S to S on the side. So first we are going to subtract the neighboring numbers. So neighboring number here means when the numbers are next to each other. So these two numbers, obviously we are going to subtract bigger number minus smaller number. So we have 76,529 minus 76,429. So 9 minus 9 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. So this means that in order for you to jump or go from 76,429 to the next number, you are going to plus 100. So that is the pattern. So step 1 done, step 2 is done, but we need to check if the pattern is consistent. So say we're gonna, we want to see if what happens if you go from the fourth number to the fifth number. Are we gonna plus 100? So let's check. So let's take this fourth number, 76,529. So what happens if we plus 100? So we have 9, 2, 6, 6, 7. So are the numbers the same? 76,629. Yes, they are the same. So we have found our pattern, which is plus 100. Now, the numbers we're going to find is the first two numbers. Notice that the numbers, if we go to the right, the numbers are increasing. We have 400, 500, and 600. Are you going to plus 100 to find the second number? No. You are going to subtract 100 to get the second number. So let's take this number right here, 76,429. We're going to subtract 100. So we have 9, 2, 3, 6, 7. So the second number is 76,329. Same goes to the first number. You're gonna have to minus 100. So take this number, 76,329 minus 100. So we have 9, 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 goes down, 7 goes down. So the answer is 76,229. So our answers, for example, 2 are 72,229 and 76,329. Next, example 3, we have blank for the first number. The second number is 123,280, and then for the third number we have a blank. For the fourth number we have 125,280, and the last number 126,280. Let's pop up our S to S up there. So first is we are going to subtract neighboring numbers. Now again, for some of you, you might be able to see the pattern already, so you can do it right away. But if you're still not confident about this, and if the gaps, if the number, there's a big gap between the two blanks, or there's a number slit in the middle, you can always follow the S to S and do your working. So first thing first, subtract neighboring numbers. So when the numbers are next to each other, you cannot really subtract. You cannot subtract the second number and the fourth number because there is a blank in the middle, so you can't really do that. So that's what it means by neighboring, it means the numbers are next to each other. So again, the bigger number minus the smaller number. 126,280 minus 125,280. So we have 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have 1,000. If you're going to go from 125,280 to the next number, you just need to plus 1,000. So that is step 1. Now step 2, you cannot really find the pattern here because there are only a pair of the neighboring numbers. So you can just do trial and error for this. So let's see, we want to find the third number. In order to find the third number, you just subtract, because if the number goes to the right, the numbers are increasing. So we have 5,000 here, we have 6,000 here. So the numbers are increasing. So you want to find the number on the left, which means you need to minus. So let's take that number, 125,280 minus 1,000. 0, 8, 2 minus 0 is 2, 5 minus 1 is 4, 2 goes down and 1 goes down. So this is our third number. Let's put it in the blank. Now we want to see if our pattern is consistent. So let's take that number, 124,280 minus the second number, 123,280. So we have 0, 0, 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 12 minus 12 is just 0. So yes, so we are consistent. So we have found the pattern, which is minus and plus 1,000. So in order to get the first number, you just need to minus 1,000 from the second number. 123,280 minus 1,000. So 0, 8 minus 0 is 8, 2 minus 0 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 12 goes down. So that's our first number, 122,280, and the number sequence is complete. So for the answer, we have 122,280 and 124,280. Now it's time for you to try. Get a piece of paper with a pen or a pencil. Rewrite this number sequence. Follow the S to S, and find the pattern and see if you can complete the number sequence. So let us quickly recap our learning objective for today. Today we are completing the given number sequence. Our step to success for today, our first one is we are going to subtract neighboring numbers. Neighboring means from the word neighbor, means they are next to each other. Step 2 is we're going to find the pattern and see if the pattern is consistent, meaning if the pattern is the same. Third one is we are completing the number sequence. Today's exercise is in your orange book towards BSR Mathematics Year 5, practice 13 and page 10. If you have any questions or have any problems, you can always contact me privately on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Good luck, everyone. Bye.